Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain how I design a responsive product registration page using HTML5 structure, Tailwind CSS for styling, JavaScript for interactivity, and PHP for backend integration. This page allows seller to register a new product by entering details such as title, description, category, price, level, status, and product image. The main goal of this design is to create a clean user interface, ensure mobile responsiveness, provide good user experience, and integrate dynamic data from the database. Backend authentication logic. First, let's talk about the backend security. If notice a $session start. Here we start the session to track logged in user. Then we check if the user is logged in. If notice a $session logged in or $session logged in not equal true. If not logged in, the system redirects the user to the login page. Then we check the user role. If string to lower $user role not equal seller. This ensures only seller can access the page. Buyer or other role cannot register products. This improves security and role-based access control. Fetching categories from database. $category result database search, select ID, name from category order by name. Here we'll fetch all product categories from the database. Store them inside an array. Later we dynamically display them inside the dropdown. This is important because categories are not hard-coded. They are dynamic and scalable. Page layout and responsiveness. Now let's move the front end. The outer container div class min edge screen bggray50 py12. Min edge screen fully screen height. bggray50 light background. py12 vertical padding. Inside that div class maxw4xl, mxauto, px4, smpx6, lgpx8. This ensures the content is centered. Responsive padding on small, medium, and large screens. This is how we achieve responsive design using Tailwind utility classes. Form design and structure. The form is wrapped inside div class bg white rounded lg shadow md. This creates white card layout, rounded corners, soft shadows, and modern UI feel. Input field design. Each input field follows this pattern. Input class wfull, px4, py2, border gray 300, rounded lg, focus ring 2, focus ring blue 500, focus border transparent, outline none, and transition. Let me explain wfull full width, rounded lg rounded corners, focus ring 2 blue glow and selected, transition smooth animation. This improves accessibility, user interaction, and visual feedback. Responsive grid layout. For example, div class grid calls 1, md grid calls 2, gap 6. This means on mobile 1 column, on medium screen and above 2 column, gap 6 space in between element. This is how the layout automatically adapts to the screen size. This is a core concept of responsive design. Dynamic category drop-down. For each $sign categories as $category. Option value PHP echo $category ID. PHP echo $category name. And PHP end for each. This dynamically generates drop-down options. Advantages are admin can edit categories. No need edit front-end code and fully dynamic system. Price input with currency prefix. Div class relative, span class absolute left 3, top 2. We use relative container, absolute position currency label. This creates a professional input design with currency inside the field. Image upload with drag and drop UI. This section improves user experience significantly. Upload area div class border to border dash. Features dash border, hover effect, drag and drop style UI. Actually file input is hidden. Input type file class hidden. This improves UI while keeping functionality. Image preview feature. Preview container div class image preview MT6 hidden. Initially hidden become visible after image selection. JavaScript can read the file, show preview image and allow removal. This enhances user confidence and prevents wrong uploads. Success and error message. PHP if not empty success message, if display green box for success and red box for errors. This gives immediate feedback to the users. Submit button design. Class BG gradient to R from blue 600 to indigo 600. Features gradient background, hover animation, transform effect and modern look. This improves UI attractiveness. And that's how you design and build a fully responsive product registration page using HTML, Tailwind CSS, JavaScript and PHP. Today we covered secure session-based authentication, role-based access control, dynamic category loading from the database, responsive layout using Tailwind grid system, clean and modern UI design principles, interactive file upload with image preview, from validation and require fields, structured and scalable from architectures, database-driven drop-down menus, user-friendly access and error handling. By combining front-end responsiveness with back-end security, we created a system that is not only visually appealing but also practical and production ready for real-world applications. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more web development tutorial from DV Codex. See you in the next video with backend in product registration page.